called again. He knows I'm here. He said he's coming. And he'll hurt me.
He won't find you here, Anna. We've been careful.
But what if he does? What if he finds out you're really helping me? It's dangerous, Mark. It's really dangerous.
He's calling again. What do I say?
Just tell him you don't know where I am. Just lie. Please, Mark.
I can lie. It's wrong. It goes against everything I believe in.
But what about my life? What if this is my last chance? A lie is more pricey to pay to stay alive.
I know, Anna. I really do. But a lie, even a small one, can have a consequence. What if he finds out that I died? He'll be even hungry. What about the next lie? Will I lie then too? Where does it end?
I don't know. I just need to be saved.
There has to be another way. I can kill the police.
No, it was me. They'll find me. It's threatened to kill anyone who helps me.
You could try to distract me. I could say I'm not sure where you are. I'm just guessing I have to.
That may work. It's better than a complete lie.
Hello? Yes? I'm from Anna. Look, I don't know exactly where she is right now. I've seen her in a days. I'm just guessing might be out of town. No, I'm not sure when she'll be back. I'll let you know if I hear anything.
Thank you.
I hope this works. I hope he believes me. This feels wrong. The numbers are clear. The new process cuts production 40%, moving from significantly. We're talking about a massive expansion, the creation and increase of the budget. It's no-brainer from a purely financial perspective.
Exactly. This is just about the numbers. It's about our ethical responsibility. We prioritize short term scale. We're violating the catch-up principles of the universality economic theory. Can we imagine a world where every company takes the same choice? The planet wouldn't survive.
We can mitigate the environmental impact. This in carbon control is another cost, but the increased profits will easily absorb it. Besides, every company makes a promise we're not doing anything in energy.
That's what values student sales and staff. We should really utilize the street for so much sustainable practices. This concept really involves and in itself extend the future of innovation. Are we willing to sacrifice the right to a healthy planet for a short-term profit? And what about the community's impact? By increasing the population, there will be any social stakes. This rise is a valid point about our mission. Where not pessimistic, we are positive. They have a duty to act sustainability, respect that stakeholders. While the financial projections are impressive, let's explore alternative. Improve our efficiency and technologies. They will improve the environmental
Another promotion, another man, another perfectly qualified candidate overlooked. This time it was David. Same experience, similar skills, even less time with the company than me. And yet, he got the promotion. They said he was a strong leader. Me, I'm assertive. Apparently, assertive is a code for unsuitable for management when you're a woman. Should I report it? What if they retaliate? What if they say I'm just being overly sensitive? What if I lose my job? This company is my livelihood. I can afford to risk it, but is that really a choice? Is staying silent really an option when I know I'm being unfairly treated? It's not just about me. It's about all the women who have come before me. At all. Those who will come after. I need an evidence, concrete, undeniable evidence, dates, names, details, no room for interpretation. I'll show them. I'll show them they can't get away with this. This isn't just about feeling undervalued, it's about systematic inequality, and I won't be silent anymore. This time, the email will be different. This time, it won't be a plea. It will be a demand. A demand for fairness, for equality, for justice. And if they retaliate, then I'll take them to the court. I'll fight for every woman who's ever been told she's too assertive, too emotional, not a team player. We're not going to be silenced anymore.
Hell,
Bakit?
I don't know. I just need to be safe.
There has to be. The numbers are there. The new process cuts production